Hey guys, welcome back to Noise Fest RC. I went ahead and installed a Beadlock wheel to one of the wheel tires. Just want to show you how they look. They look really nice, man. Really nice. I wanted to show you the way they look after being installed. I'm really impressed, like I had mentioned earlier. I'm really impressed with the quality of the tire, of the wheel. Very nice. No problem getting them installed. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other four. And once I get them installed onto the TRX4, and I'll show you the whole complete installation onto the TRX4. So thanks a lot guys for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye.